2010 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, passenger airbag, trip computer, power windows, fog lamps, remote power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heads-up display, rear wiper, privacy glass, rear spoiler. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.